Hey Oil Squad, it's Jill here from Lavender and Friends, your source of essential oil education and inspiration. I thought I'd do a quick chat today with you guys about a diffuser that's been getting a little bit of discussion amongst my friends, and that's the Kmart Diffuser. So Kmart recently released a diffuser that was $20. And like many things, I went, is this going to be a total bargain or a total waste of money? So in the interest of research, I did get one for myself and I thought I'd share the results with you. Now, if you are watching this live, thank you so much for joining. I'd love if you could let me know where you're watching from. That'd be pretty cool. Or if you're watching the replay, thanks for joining us as well. So this Kmart diffuser, now first of all, I love Kmart. I will not bash them. I think they're, really great. They're good for kids' clothes, easy clothes. I'm actually wearing a Kmart singlet underneath the singlet I'm wearing right now. So believe me when I say I'm not biased against Kmart. That said, some of the stuff they make is complete and utter rubbish, and I've had it fall apart way too soon. So I thought I'd get this diffuser and give it a go because, a diffuser is something that's really important when you're using your essential oils. It's really important to use an ultrasonic diffuser to use our oils aromatically. Heat can actually damage the chemical constituents. So, the old oil burners, we'd put a tea light under them. No, we do not use those. We use diffusers. Now, obviously, doTERRA has a beautiful diffuser themselves, which is the Petal Diffuser. So I will be comparing the two and letting you know what I think about it. I'm also going to put my computer on mute because it keeps making dinging noises at me. Okay, so hello to everyone that's watching. Love it if you could give me a little thumbs up to let me know you're watching. That'd be awesome. And we'll get into this. A couple of things to mention is, first of all, how it works. So this is what it looks like. So if we compare it in size to our Petal, it's kind of about the same size, similar shape, similar design. But if you look at it this way, whoops, hi Lisa, hi Samantha. It's dripping water at me. This one is a little bit bigger. Now it's also leaking on me because I thought it was empty. That'll teach me. Now, a couple of things I will mention. The first is how we operate it. Can you grab me a towel? Now this is the first thing you will notice when you use it. It's a pain to get the lid off. It's also now leaking all over me. So trying to get the lid off is probably the biggest frustration I have with this one. So by comparison with the Petal, lid lifts on and off. You compare that to this one, which I'm now going to just wipe up. As you can see, getting the lid off, you have to twist it and eventually it kind of clicks off. And let me just switch it off. That's why it's going crazy. All right, so you got to twist it off. And that's a bit of a pain to get with. All right, same idea in terms of how it operates. So there's a maximum water line and we fill it up with water up to there. So give me 1 second and I'll do that. There's my towel back. So again, we just fill it up to the maximum water line like that. We would then add our essential oils. We'd add our 4 to 6 drops of essential oil, whatever blends we want. Of course, making sure we're using our beautiful CPTG doTERRA oils. All right, so then we got to put the lid back on again. Now, here again is where it turns into a pain. So we put it on and then you twist it, or I don't know, it kind of clicks into place, but seriously, it's actually a real pain. And especially when you have small kids, pain. Okay, so then to turn it on, we hit the mist button and it goes on for 30, 60, 120, or 180. Now can you hear that? You ready? It beeps. So this is a massive drawback, especially for me, because I like to put my diffusers in my kids' room. And if I'm going in there at nighttime to put that on, because they're a bit unsettled, I sneak in, I put the diffuser back on, that beeping noise is really, really frustrating. But one of the advantages, which I will mention over the Petal, is when you switch it on, the light doesn't automatically turn on. So with the Petal, when you switch the Petal on, the light turns on automatically. So you've got the risk of beeping to wake them up or the risk of a small light. Now, the other thing is it does have a light. Now, this is going to be kind of hard to see, but light, brighter, off. Okay, you ready? So it goes bright, brighter, and then back off again. It also beeps every time you turn the light on, which is annoying. So the advantage of this, there are 2 different light settings. You can have a little bit dimmer or a little bit brighter. And that is a definite pro. And another definite pro is the fact that it's $20. Like, it's only 20 bucks, which is, a pretty reasonable amount for a diffuser. Now, the cons are it has a shorter run time. So it only goes for 30, 60 minutes, 2 hours, or 3 hours. The Petal goes for 1, 2, or 4 hours. The other thing as well, as I said, it does have the beep. It's larger, and getting that lid off, as you saw me fumbling around and making a big mess, it's a real pain. Now, one other thing I will mention as well, it's really inconsistent. So right now, if you have a look, it's churning the steam out pretty hard. Sometimes I find when I put it on, it literally, the steam just trickles out. Sometimes it comes gushing out. Sometimes I feel like I can barely smell the oil. Other times I feel like, oh my gosh, it's just really strong. So I will say it is a bit inconsistent. And that said, I do actually have a few friends who have got this and have reported that it doesn't work, or it actually will stop working. It stops working after a few goes. Look, to be totally honest, if you're absolutely stuck and you have no other option, and your option is the Kmart diffuser or putting the oil on a tissue, Kmart diffuser is going to be a better option because it's going to help to disperse the oil throughout the air. It's not going to damage your oils like a heat burner is. But to be honest, if you can afford to spend the little bit extra, I would actually prefer the Petal, mainly for ease of use. You know, just getting it on and off is a lot easier. And the other thing as well is the doTERRA Petal does come with a warranty. So if anything breaks, if anything goes wrong, you can send it back and get it replaced. And member services are amazing. It's one of the things I really love about doTERRA is how good their member services is. So if there's anything goes wrong, you can just send it straight back. Now, another thing I will mention as well is with doTERRA, they also have a loyalty rewards program, which means once you have your own account, you can actually earn points back on the purchases you're making. So with your Petal, you can actually be earning a percentage of the back as points. Again, if you go to Kmart, you're going to walk in, you're going to buy it, you're going to walk out. There's no frequent buyer club or anything like that. So if you are interested in getting the Petal, which hopefully, I hope you guys have realized it's probably a bit of a better investment, the doTERRA Petal is $58 wholesale prices. Now what wholesale means is with doTERRA, you can actually get your own account. With your own account, it means that you can log into the website, order whatever you want, get it shipped straight to your door, and you do have the option to earn freebies, to earn points, to get lots of good things, lots of goodies like that. So for those who have their own account, the member's price is $58. Or if you're purchasing a starter kit, it does actually come with some of the starter kits. So the most popular starter kit we have is actually the Home Essentials kit. It's the top 10 most popular oils we have in 15 ml bottles, which is the full-size bottles, plus a diffuser, plus your own account. And when you have your own account, you're going to automatically get a 25% discount on all purchases. You get your oils shipped straight to your door, and you can earn freebies, you can earn rewards, you can earn lots of good stuff. So if you would like to get this diffuser, if you'd like to get one in your house, if you'd like to start using your oils, please do feel free to send me a message, or otherwise you can actually visit my website, which is www.lavenderandfriends.com. I'd love to help you get started. I'd love to help you get access to these beautiful oils. And obviously using a diffuser is a great way because then we can be using our oils aromatically. That's all from me. Thank you guys all for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful evening.